Hey guys, today, I know, I haven't gotten any subscribers yet. I still have cancer right here. So I'm going to show you guys what we found outside. Oh, sorry. A little birdie. Okay. I can barely carry this with it. Well, as you can see here, we got, we have a little bird in this box. It's very scared. It's okay, bird. I want to pick him up so bad. I feel bad. It's okay. Look at the bird. I did it, Ashley. I feel it like shivering.
It's breathing very heavily because it's scared. It's not shaking. Maybe you should show them what I'm doing over here.
But they like the bird. It's a birdie bird. Want to go back in the box? Here you go.
Okay,
No,
don't
close.
squeeze it. Put it in here.
I wasn't squeezing it.
Okay.
Go in.
Just leave it.
What's
it doing?
It's going inside my thumbs. It's going between my thumbs. Let go. It's okay.
Now we got the first step done.
It's even showing. And that ends.
What's your password?
I almost pressed the wrong passcode right there. And that ends part 1 of the bird.
Warm water in a bottle. Let's go.
Part 2 of the bird.